you, the one you wrote when the being, I bomb for plan, I bomb my some high low, it's a great bomb for plan among.
Ai chạy mà vậy tụi nó cái nè.
Oh. Đừng nghe đây. Chỗ trong lái đó nè, và cái của khơi nè.
Hai nâng một con nhau.
Mọi thằng nó hôm nay cái lại bà nó ok.
Nhau được một con nhau mà không con hai bây giờ mình tăng cái nhau pan score card máu cái thạch đó nhẹสบายชีวิตnhauให้บุคคลnhauก็สบายมาให้เคยบอกสบายเกินนะจะสบายเกินเลย
เดี๋ยวนั้น
ให้คุณสู้แต่โค้ชพารีเนี่ย every time they come here I think it's 5 times already every time we try an hour and a half I mean like 3 hours each time so 5 that time 5 so like 15 hours trying to listen but you know it's good ยังส่งออกคนสักทีเนี่ยโอเคให้ออกคนฟองไมโครถ้าบ้านคุกซูชิเอาพวกยำติ่มซอมมันแข็งเลยถ้าของเฟสของฮอกเยอะเคบัวออกเนี่ยเคออกคนเด่นผมมองชื่ออะไรบ้านเรียนใหญ่ตัวจะไหนใหญ่ตัวอะไรเรียนแค่เรียนใหญ่ตัวเยอะมาค่าไหนจะไม่เลิกกันจะไม่แทงเท่าก็
đây nhầm mà xong chiều ta nhầm ở con kia hay là chị một cha đây là open your beautiful home for all of us to come get together and connected and enjoying each other. This is really such a blessing. And like Mokwan was saying earlier, Mokwan I can be her witness. I've known her for over 40 years. Everybody in Rhode Island know who they are. They're very, very popular in Rhode Island. Not many people know me. But I know them. Okay. Yeah, I know them. And then we could, I've never had this many friends. This is the first time in our entire life that we had this many friends. We really also count our blessings. We thought to move over here to relax and enjoying our retirement, but in actuality, we're here to enjoy, our social life with all the friends, and this is really, it's a lot more than we expected, and we really count our blessing every single day, how blessed it is for us to know all of you, and we appreciate all of you for putting your heart out for all of us to get to know each other every single time that we're here. So thank you, I appreciate it. And one more thing, in Rhode Island, every year, and then another friend, we get together and we go out for lunch every single year for each other's birthday. This time with me too, okay? Yeah.
Okay, we're all here.
Thank you so much.
ចាអរគុណច្រើនមែនទែនចាអូមែន